What is dhyan? Dhyan. Dhyan is a beautiful Sanskrit word that means meditation or focused attention. It's not just sitting quietly, it's a deep inner experience where your mind becomes calm, centered, and fully present. It's a powerful tool found in spiritual traditions like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and even Sikhism. In different traditions, Hinduism, Dhyan is the seventh step in Ashtanga Yoga, right after dharana, concentration, and before samadhi, enlightenment. It's about steady, silent focus on a divine form or inner awareness. Buddhism, called Dhyan in Sanskrit or Jhana in Pali, it's a step-by-step meditative journey toward insight and nirvana. It's all about mindfulness, awareness, and letting go. Jainism, Dhyan is key for self-purification and freedom from karma, a path toward the soul's liberation. Sikhism, focused attention on the Naam, divine name, and remembering God constantly is considered a form of Dhyan too. Why practice Dhyan? To quiet the mind and find stillness. To awaken inner awareness. To connect with your higher self, or even the divine. To experience peace, clarity, and moksha, liberation. Simple guide, how to practice Dhyan. 1. Find a quiet space. Choose a peaceful spot. Silence helps still the mind. 2. Sit comfortably. Padmasana, lotus, sukhasana, easy pose, or even a chair, just keep your spine straight. 3. Close your eyes gently. Relax your face, your body, let go. 4. Focus on your breath. Watch your breath as it flows in and out. Thoughts will come, just notice them, and return to the breath. 5. Use a mantra, optional. Chant silently, Om, Soham, or your personal mantra. Let it anchor your mind. 6. Stay present. No forcing, just awareness. Be the silent watcher of your thoughts. 7. Start small. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Slowly increase to 20 to 30 minutes. It's not a race, it's a journey. Benefits of Dhyan. Calms the mind, lowers stress. Boosts concentration, clarity, and creativity. Brings emotional balance. Deepens self-awareness. Aids in spiritual awakening and inner transformation. Types of Dhyan. 1. Mantra Dhyan. Focus on sacred sounds like Om, Gayatri, Soham. 2. Breath awareness, Anapanasati, watching the breath. 3. Chakra meditation, focus on energy centers. 4. Trataka, gaze at a candle flame or symbol. 5. Guided meditation, follow a calming voice. 6. Mindfulness, Vipassana, watch thoughts, don't judge. 7. Bhakti Dhyan, meditate on your chosen deity, Shiva, Krishna, Devi. Stages of Dhyan in Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga. 1. Yama, ethics. 2. Niyama, self-discipline. 3. Asana, postures. 4. Pranayama, breath control. 5. Pratyahara, withdraw from senses. 6. Dharana, focus the mind. 7. Dhyan, meditation. 8. Samadhi, oneness, bliss, freedom. Dharana is focus. Dhyan is effortless flow. Samadhi is transcendence. Scientific view, what research says. Reduces stress hormones like cortisol. Increases gray matter in the brain. Improves sleep, heart health, and focus. Boosts emotional health, less anxiety, more peace. Increases compassion, empathy, and patience. Key qualities of true Dhyan. Ekagrata, one-pointed focus. Nirvichara, thought-free awareness. Sakshi Bhava, be the witness, not the reactor. Shraddha and Saburi, faith and patience, always. Scriptural references. Bhagavad Gita 6.6. For one who has conquered the mind is the best of friends, but for one who has failed, it becomes the worst enemy. Master the mind through meditation. Patanjali Yoga Sutras 3.2. Dhyan is the continuous flow of the mind toward an object. It's the quiet stream of inner stillness. Dhammapada, Buddhism. From meditation arises wisdom, Without it, wisdom fades. Want clarity.